show you what I've put together for those of you wanting to do this upgrade and a full system flush on your 2003 to 2010 722.9 transmission. This is a complete kit. In fact, I can guarantee you will not find a more complete kit available anywhere in the world. This is basically everything you will need except standard tools, and you will need some Torx tools if you haven't done this before. When I said earlier complete kit, I probably should have said except the fluid. We do not include fluid with this kit, but we do offer fluid available separately if we can get it. Sometimes there's a supply problem. We only offer it in the larger containers. This is a 20-liter bottle and this is a 5-liter bottle. I prefer Pentosan, but that's not the only fluid. The most important thing is you get the Mercedes spec number on the bottle. That is what's really important. Remember, it's a red fluid, so you have to be really careful. When you look at the bottle, you're looking for a number, and it says MB approval 236.14. That's 236.14. So the Pentosan is designated ATF 134. You're going to probably need 12 liters. You might be able to do a 10, but you got to have a real clean fluid when you do the flush. But I found that 12 is usually a pretty good number. If you have a super dirty transmission, maybe it's got 100,000 miles on it without ever having been changed, you may need 14 liters to keep flushing through until you can get that nice red color coming back out of the return line. Even though you're putting on the upgraded pan and the filter, you still use the old style red fluid. That's designation 134. First off, you'll get the enlarged correct pan and a new pan gasket. You will receive only the genuine OE triple smart media filter. Then you're going to get my pump assembly that will allow you to put the fluid into the transmission without spilling it all over the floor. I provide a special attachment to the bottom of the transmission with 2 valves to control the potential for spillage. And when you use this pressure tank, you just connect it to the bottom of your pan, build up pressure, open the valves, and fill your transmission. I'm going to provide some clear hose because when you're doing the full flush, you have to disconnect the transcooler line going into the right side of the transmission, pull it out, and connect clear hose that will go down into a canister to collect the dirty fluid as you start and run the engine. You are running the engine to pull the fluid through. You're not using high pressure. You're not going to worry about dislodging things with a pressure flush. This is an engine run flush through the torque converter, through the transcooler, so you're going to get all that old fluid out. And over on this tray, here are the small items you'll need that you won't find in any hardware store. I'm going to include 2 brand new magnets. You'll get the correct green fill overflow tube. You're going to get 6 new aluminum stretch bolts. I'm going to give you some silicone plugs and a silicone cap to minimize spillage, and that'll be explained in the video. And over here are 2 special O-rings that you'll need to use when you reinstall the transcooler line back into the transmission case on the right side. Finally, some zip ties. You'll need a few zip ties, connect clear lines, and so on. My goal is to help you do this job without creating a big mess. If you've watched some videos on YouTube, you know, everybody's complaining about how messy this job is. Well, it doesn't have to be. Along with what you see here, you will get full video instructions with this kit. I have 2 videos that total over an hour in length. One of them goes through the whole process of doing the upgrade on the transmission, and then the second video walks you through the entire process of doing a full fluid system flush. And for those of you who already have a flushing device, or you do not want to do a complete flush, just a fluid change, I'm going to offer this upgrade kit without the pump and hoses as you see here. And when you complete this upgrade, there's a potential for confusion in the future if you have anyone else working on your transmission. You're installing a green overfill pipe here now with the new pan, but you are not using the green fluid. You are using the red fluid. And as you've read on the internet, everybody's telling you if you have a white overfill pipe, you use red fluid. If you have a green, use green fluid. In your new upgrade, you're still going to use red fluid. You might want to put a sticker on the pan just to warn anybody in the future. Do not put green fluid in this transmission. I know what some of you are thinking, wow, that's a lot of work, Kent, to do this. Why do you think it never gets done? And why is it so expensive if you do it at the dealer? And who's going to do it as thoroughly as you would? Because most places will not do a complete system. You need to do this every 40,000 miles. So in the life of the car, you may do this 2 or 3 times. So then it is worth it. Don't be afraid to tackle this job. With what I've provided here, you can do it yourself.